Hey guys, it's James from GigaPress.net. Did you know that a landing page can double or even triple your sales? According to HubSpot, landing pages convert 3 times more than home pages. Yes, creating a landing page could be your best move to boost conversions. But what exactly is a landing page? A landing page is a self-contained web page that users land on after clicking an ad, a link, or a call to action button. Unlike a home page, which has multiple goals and links, a landing page is focused on one specific purpose: to promote a product, service, or special offer to a specific audience. This page often includes attention-grabbing headlines, clear product descriptions, engaging visuals like images or videos, and most importantly, a strong call to action. That could be a buy now button, a form to collect emails, or a link to start a free trial. Take a look at this example by Canva, which mixes all of these ingredients to provide an effective landing page. It features a clean design, compelling messaging, and a clear path for the visitor to take action. Another example is the Sunbasket landing page. This page draws visitors in by offering a discount in exchange for personal information. The Continue button serves as the CTA. Once users enter their personal data, they receive the promised discount. In short, a powerful landing page prompts visitors to take action, and that can seriously boost your conversion rates and increase your sales. So, in this video, you'll be learning how to create a powerful landing page in WordPress in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Create a new landing page. Here in WordPress, you have several options for creating your landing page, but for this tutorial, we will be using the Elementor page builder. To download the Elementor on your site, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then Add New Plugin. Type Elementor in the search box, find the Elementor website builder, then click Install Now and activate. Then you'll be redirected to the page where you need to create your account. You can use the free version of this tool, or you can upgrade to a pro account to get access to more designs. After you've successfully connected your Elementor on your site, go back to the dashboard, navigate to Templates, and click Add New. Select the type of template you want to work on. I'm going to select Page, then name it, and click Create Template. Once you're on the page editor, here you can see the 3 options. First is by manually adding containers or elements on your page. Using the drag and drop feature, you can simply add widgets you need to build a landing page. Second is by using pre-made templates. This option is easier than manually adding your widgets. If I click on it, this will open up a library of templates. Many of these require a pro account, but there are some free options as well. So, for this tutorial, I'll be using this template. Once you've selected a template, you can click on the Insert button to get started. Step 2. Customize your landing page. Elementor enables you to edit different aspects of your landing page. This includes text, colors, fonts, images, and more. The pre-made templates include the most important elements. For example, this template has placeholders for images, titles, and a CTA button. Start by editing your header. This should be an eye-catching title for the product or service you're promoting. After selecting an element, you'll be able to make modifications in the sidebar. For your header, you can add a URL that will take users to your homepage or any other site. You can also change the size, HTML tag, and alignment of the text. Additionally, you might want to add a description of your product or service in the text box below your header. Next, let's look at the CTA button. This serves as the bridge between users and the end goal. You can change the text and other visual elements from the Content tab in the Editor panel. If you click on the Style tab, you'll be able to further customize your button's design. For example, I can change the font in the typography section. This landing page template also lets you insert high-quality photos. Simply click on the image placeholder to upload your media. If you scroll down here in the following section, you can list the benefits of your product. Next, you can elaborate on each feature or benefit. Again, you can further tinker with the design under the Content and Style tabs. Next is the Client Testimonial section, which can help persuade users to purchase your product. You can swap the text and images with quotes and photos from your own clients. Finally, we have the CTA again. This will remind users to take action before leaving the page. Again, you can customize this section to suit your needs. There are other important elements you can add to your landing page, including reviews and a contact form. However, some of these features are only available if you upgrade to Elementor Pro. Step 3. Preview and finish your page. Once you've finished customizing your landing page, you'll probably want to look at your final result before publishing. To do so, simply click on the eye icon at the top right of the editor panel. This will take you to the front end, where you can interact with the page as though you were a visitor. Make sure to test all elements before publishing, including forms, buttons, and links. This way, you can make sure everything is working properly before launching your page. Once you're done, navigate back to the editor, click on Publish, and your landing page is now live. Another way to build a landing page easily with Elementor is by using an AI tool. This can speed things up just by typing a prompt. Click this option and choose how you want to build. Reference an existing website, create variations from the template library, or simply write text prompts. For example, I'm going to type, "Create a landing page with an eye-catching title, product description, and a strong CTA button." Select one of the suggested layouts, and Elementor AI will generate a page section for you. For the following sections, continue using AI to generate a list of the features of your products, pricing plans, reviews, or contact forms. But to keep using this AI feature, make sure to upgrade to Elementor Pro. And that's it! You've now got everything you need to create a powerful, high-converting landing page in WordPress with Elementor. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit GigaPress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.